Well, it's finally fucking cleaned. Squish, squish my fucking boots. I'm soaked. Ugh. Yay, yay. But it's finally cleaned off. Now I can get it all dirty. I mean, that's why you clean it, right? So you can get it dirty. I think so anyways. I think that's what they said in the owner's manual. Not sure. I don't know how to operate one of these things, so I guess if I'm doing that wrong, you can let me know. Oil up the chains and that shit. Try to take that stuff out, I guess. Fix the head. Go pick up dog meds. Gotta get her antibiotics because she's got surgery next week. See how that goes, I guess.